Hello, good day. Hope you are having a nice time there. And in this very class, we are going to look at something very special, something that is, sometimes people more often than not they get confused with this aspect in mathematics. Is very basic. It has to do with enumeration. We're going to look at three things on the board here: the face value of a number, face value of a number, the place value of a number, of numbers, and values of numbers. Now, in numeration, which is the art of cutting in words and figure. Numeration is the art of cutting either in words or in figure. And that aspect, is very crucial, that in order for you to write very well or count either in figure or in words, you must know the positions in which number occupies. And if we have our hands, we have 10 fingers, which is 10 digits. The word digit originally came from the Latin word which means digiton. Digiton simply means what? Fingers. So in order for us to count very well, this digit, since we're operating in base 10, we're going to have our digits. We start from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This we are operating in base 10. So the highest digit in base 10 is 9. Okay. We want to know face value, place value, and values of number. This aspect, many textbooks they handle it wrongly. They interchangeably write place value for value and value for place value. So I want to clarify the fact that there is difference between the place value of a number and the value of a number. So using the approach, adopting the approach of face value. Take for instance, we have children. Let's say we have it's I will assign a digit to it, is 4. And we have Audu. I will assign 0 to Audu. And I have Coco. I will assign 9 to Coco. I have Mabel. I will assign 7 to Mabel. 2, 3, 4. Then we have Jane. I will assign 5 to Jane. So these are individuals' names, and these are the numbers assigned to them. So if they are mentioned, this is what they represent. So we can use this. We can form a number from this each digit here. So as we want to form a number, we decide, okay, we write 960 960 7 4. Okay. So we want to define what we mean by face value. The face value of a number is the uniqueness of the number. So if in any position the face value of that number is that number there, just the number. If I say what's the face value of 9? Face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 0 is 0. Face value of 7 is 7. And face value of 4 is 4. That's the meaning of face value. So your face is your face. If I say what is the face value of is 4. Face value of Audu is 0. Face value of Coco is 9. And face value of Mabel is 7. And face value of Jane is 5. That's the meaning of face value. Now in this number now, we have written this 9796074, and this is, we have written this number in compact form. This one is compact. Assuming we want to write them in expanded form, we'll write this is 9. This is unit, tens, hundred, thousand, tens of thousand. So this will be 9 tens of thousand. Okay, this will be 6,000. This will be 0. Okay, 0. Okay, let me write it in this way: 9 times 10,000. 6 times 1,000. This is 0 times 100. This is we are putting, yes, this is 7 times tens, plus 4 times 1 units, because if this here is supposed to be 10 raised to power 0, and 10 raised to power 0 is 1. Okay, now if you look at this place now, we are seeing that 9 is multiplying tens of thousand, 6 is multiplying thousand, 0 is multiplying 100, and 7 is multiplying tens, and 4 is multiplying units. Now, like face value, now the face value here is this number here. This is the face value. Then why this is what we call place value. So the place value of any number is only the position the number is standing. That is the position alone. That's the meaning of place value. Another name for place value is called digit value. You see, we have known what is place value now from this expanded form. This is just the face value. This is what the place value. Then what is now the value of value of numbers, or a value of a number? The value of a number is the product of the face value times the place value. So if we are looking at the place value now, place value, the value of this number, let's say value of 9. Value of 9 now will be 9 times this will give us 9 times what? 10,000. That will give us 90,000. That is the meaning of the value of 9 there. You see the difference? Then if you say what is the value of 6? 6 times 1,000. 6 times the position of the number will give you the value of 6, which is 6,000. Now let's come, for us to be very clear, let's go to 0 now. In 0 we have the face value of 0 is 0. The place value of 0 is 100. So the value of 0 there is what? 0. So the value of 0, listen attentively, the value of 0 in any position is usually 0. But though the position usually exists, the place value usually what? Exists. So that's the difference between value and place value. So the place value is just the position the number is standing. It has nothing to do with the face value. But the value has to do with both the face value and the place value. It's the product of the face value and the value of number. So this, I just want to clarify this fact so that you know that there's difference between face value, place value, and value. Thanks for watching.